Learn English to Hindi, size, color, and
रंग,
words with
आकार,
hello and a splash of
रंग,
hey, you're here, and that already means you're doing great. Today you'll learn Hindi with colors, size, and one very curious verb, and yes, there will be a dramatic banana. Welcome to your tiny language adventure. Imagine you walk into a shop where nothing is normal. The hats are enormous, the socks are suspiciously tiny, and one shopkeeper keeps shouting, please check the
आकार,
That word means size. Then another shopkeeper throws paint in the air and yells, look at the
रंग,
That means color. Around you, a cat in a
काला,
coat looks very serious, a tomato in a
लाल,
scarf looks too proud, the sky is wildly.
नीला,
The grass is proudly.
हरा,
A banana is glowing.
पीला,
And a cloud floats by looking moody and.
ग्रे,
And you? You want to.
जानना,
Everything. Perfect. Let's go. The very important shirt disaster. Let's make the words stick with a silly story. Just listen, picture it, and enjoy the chaos. You enter a clothing store because you need one simple shirt. One shirt. That is all. But the store has other plans. A cheerful clerk asks, what
आकार,
do you need? You freeze for 1 second, then remember.
आकार,
Means size. You point to a shirt and ask about the.
रंग,
The clerk smiles proudly and says, we have.
काला, लाल, नीला, हरा, पीला,
And.
ग्रे,
Quote. You try the.
काला,
Shirt. Too dramatic. You look like a poet who has lost 3 notebooks and a sandwich. You try the.
लाल,
Shirt. Too powerful. You now look like you command an army of tomatoes. You try the.
नीला,
Shirt. Calm, elegant, slightly heroic. Then the clerk brings a.
हरा,
1. You suddenly look like a very polite tree. The.
पीला,
Shirt makes you look like a cheerful piece of sunshine with pockets. The.
ग्रे,
Shirt says, I pay taxes on time. Finally you ask, I want to.
जानना,
The right choice. The clerk nods like a wise mountain goat and says, choose the right.
आकार,
First, then the right.
रंग,
Honestly, that is good life advice. Quick word spotlight. Now let's slow down for a clean, easy review. Say each Hindi word after me in your mind, or out loud if nobody is judging you. Size is.
आकार,
Think of the size of a box, a shoe, or your ambition before coffee. Color is.
रंग,
Think of paint, clothes, flowers, and chaotic festival powder. Black is.
काला,
The cat is.
काला,
Red is.
लाल,
The apple is.
लाल,
Blue is.
नीला,
The sky is.
नीला,
Green is.
हरा,
The leaf is.
हरा,
Yellow is.
पीला,
The banana is.
पीला,
Naturally. It would be concerning otherwise. Gray is.
ग्रे,
The sky looks.
ग्रे,
Today. To know is.
जानना,
I want to.
जानना,
The answer. Mini dialogue in the color shop. Let's hear the words in a simple scene. Listen like you're standing right there, trying not to buy a yellow cape. Shopkeeper. Welcome. What
आकार,
do you need? You. I want to.
जानना,
The.
आकार,
First. Shopkeeper. Good plan. And what
रंग,
do you like? You. Not.
काला,
Today. Maybe.
लाल,
Shopkeeper. We also have.
नीला, हरा, पीला,
And.
ग्रे,
You. Show me the.
नीला,
1. Shopkeeper. Excellent choice. Calm, stylish, and less likely to make you resemble a traffic signal. Memory tricks that are almost too silly. Now let's glue these words into your memory. The stranger the image, the better your brain behaves. Picture a giant measuring tape wrapping around a sofa while shouting.
आकार,
That locks in size. Imagine a paint explosion over a wall shouting.
रंग,
That gives you color. See a mysterious cat in sunglasses saying,
Kala.
black. Imagine a tomato doing opera in a cape.
Lal.
Red. Picture the sky sending you a postcard signed,
Neela.
blue. See a dancing leaf introducing itself as,
Hara.
green. Imagine a banana at a beauty contest yelling,
Pila.
yellow. Picture a cloudy day wearing a business suit labeled,
Grey.
gray. And imagine your brain opening a tiny door and whispering,
Jana.
to know. Your turn quiz. You're not just listening now. You're playing. I'll ask, you answer in your head or out loud. What is the Hindi word for size?
Akar.
What is the Hindi word for color?
Rang.
What is black in Hindi?
Kala.
What is red in Hindi?
Lal.
What is blue in Hindi?
Neela.
What is green in Hindi?
Hara.
What is yellow in Hindi?
Pila.
What is gray in Hindi?
Grey.
What is no in Hindi?
Jana.
Tiny challenge, big win. Let's finish strong with a fast challenge. You already know more than you think. Imagine a room. In the room, there is a box with the wrong.
Akar.
A wall with bright.
Rang.
A.
Kala.
Cat, A.
Lal.
Apple, A.
Neela.
Chair, A.
Hara.
Plant, A.
Pila.
Banana, and a
Grey.
cloud outside the window. Now say to yourself, I want to.
Jana.
These words. And the fun part is, you already do. Friendly goodbye. You did it. Seriously, nice work. Thanks for learning with me today. You practiced.
Akar. Rang. Kala. Lal. Neela. Hara. Pila. Grey.
And
Jana.
repeat them later, use them out loud, and point at real objects around you if you can. Thank you for listening, keep practicing, and come back when you want to learn more Hindi with a smile.